Hello everyone, welcome back to our PHP tutorial series. In the last lesson, we explored PHP superglobules and how they help in handling user inputs, sessions, and more. Today, we will dive into PHP form handlings, a crucial skill for building interactive web applications. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to collect user input through forms, process it securely, and display the result. So let's get started. So before we are process from data, let's create a simple form that collects a username and email. So now we create a form HTML and form action. I do first PHP and method post. Yep. And we have names. We just create a simple form. Input type, we use text and name equal name, and we require and need br, and one more is email. Input types email, name email, email equal email. We need to require no br to internet, and I have and submit. So we got a simple form HTML. I got the wrong one. So I need to run on Chrome. Localhost. Oh, what's wrong? Yeah, we have first name, subject, and submit. It's simple. So we doesn't have an PHP, so it's not work. So I'll explain you about this code. So action is a attribute specifies the file of first PHP where the form data will be sent for processing, and the method post ensure that data is sent securely without appearing in the URL, and name is attribute allow PHP to identify and retrieve the output value, and requires is an attribute ensure that files are not left empty before. So now we in first PHP, here is my file. We will collect and display the submit data. Now I will provide you an PHP to collect and display the submit data. It's simple PHP PHP, and I have if server use the request method equal post name. We use HTML special char, HTML special chars, and post name. So we take from here is name, and one more is email that I just need to copy it. Email, and we equal thank you names. Your email is do like okay has been your email has been received. Okay, so now we test together like CodeNow email, CodeNow gmail.com. Oh, what's happened? I need to check first. Action first. Action first PHP post, and why you submit type if server request method for post. What's wrong with it? Name email equal HTML chart post email. So what is the wrong one? Wait a minute, I need to check first. Why is error? CodeNow and email is like CodeNow. Oh, I need to save, right? Yep. Simple CodeNow, and it's still error. What's wrong? Undefined array key email in some line 18. So what's wrong? So I need to check action method names equal email, right? And equal email requires import submit value. and is what here is the array key, here's the email key. A what's wrong? Is our names equal HTML special host name? Ah, I think like we have wrong the wrong. Oh, I got it. Is this wrong with this one? I don't. Yeah. So as you see, we have some error on this place. So here is our result. Sorry for some error. So as you see, we first we need to create a form action form, simple form to connect with PHP, and in first PHP we will collect and display data from this one. When we input to this form, we click submit, it will display your data. So now I'll explains you about this global super global. So here's the super global. So server request method check if the form was submitted using the post method, and post name and post email retrieve the submit value, and HTML special charge prevent cross-site scripting attack by converting special character into HTML and entities. So yep, and now we continue to another one. To ensure the collect data is valid, we can add valid validation check. So now we want to validating form input. So example, we just delete it. We ensure the collected data is example, we have server and we use the condition if empty name or empty email, we set equal all oh no all field are required, and if filter var email filter email equal that invalid email format, and else equal hello names. Your email is valid. So what is the result? So first we need to import CodeNow, and we have an email CodeNow Gmail. That's please include so here is our display, we submit. So we have a name CodeNow and our email is CodeNow is valid. So to ensure the collect data is valid, we can add validation to checks. So oh, I forgot, can I change this one? I want to choose trim. uh, trim is to remove extra space from input value. What is the result? Like bun, hello bun. It's normal, it's just simple. And empty, yeah, I think you know the empty is check if any field is left blank. And filter var, email filter validate email, ensure the email format is valid. Proper error message are displayed if input validation false. So now let's we continue to handling form data with get. Sometimes we might use get method to send a data via the URL. So now I give you an example. Example, like I have name and age. A number, and I use get. I'm not use post. And I'm trying to submit. And now I do PHP. If set get name and set get age equal hello, and we use HTML special charge get name your age your age, uh, a team special, get age, years old. Example, we have now, and we have 25, and then we submit hello CodeNow. Your age is 25 years old. So the form uses method get data is sent in the URL, and get name, get age, retrieve values. And as I told you many times, HTML special charge prevent a ISS attack, so the data is displayed as a response. And the next one is to improve security, we should use tokens to prevent cross-site request forgery. So now I give you an example about preventing cross-site request forgery to improve our securities. So example, I need to create a session. I need to create it all new work. So example, I create a PHP and I do have a season start, and how season super global, and have a token equal bin to hex random byte 32, and we create a form action if we use first start PHP, and method post. We have an input text we use hiding, and we have name token oh my god token, and value we do use session. So we for PHP equal session token and this one, then we have name input text name equal yeah, and have input submit, value is submit, and we create an HTML. More PHP is secure. For secure, we have an PHP and we session start. So I wrote it first, and then I will explain the code in set. Oh, no, not is set. We use if server we request method equal post if is set post token or post token not equals to session token. What is the wrong? If is set oh no, what's wrong? Oh, what and we have an echo form SUB and might submit it. What's wrong? Do I use it not correctly? Oh my god, I'm so confused with this one. Nah, bro. Okay, I need to cut it and I need to pass it here, and so I'll give you an explain. So bin2 hex random byte 32 is generate a secure token, and the token is stored in session and and added a hidden input in the form. One submits when you submit the first PHP, check if the token might before processing. So what's the result? Session start login, session start because session is already active. Yeah, it's simple. Form submitted. You got it? So you have learned how to handle HTML forms in PHP using both post and get. We also convert validation, security best practice, and CSRF. So do you know CSRF? CSRF means cross-site request forgery. C means cross, S means site, R means request, F means forgery. So in the next lesson we explore file handling in PHP, where you learn to upload read and write file. Stay tuned.